This is my Trachycarpus oreophilus. Absolutely gorgeous palm. Pretty hardy as well, although that hardiness has been tested this winter, as it was down to minus 6.7 and many weeks very cold, below zero. But it looks pretty good, pushing out new growth. Bit of old leaves have got damage on, but overall it's looking good. But this video, very quick video, is just to make an observation, a comment on a feature I've not noticed before on any other Trachycarpus palms, and it's something that this Trachycarpus oreophilus exhibits, and it's basically the way that the old leaf stems, or petioles, which are these here, when they age and they get brown like the one on the left here, after a while they seem to form sort of bumps halfway up. So on this one here you can see a little bump. I can run my finger over it, it arches out and then goes back in, and this happens all the way down. So if you look at this one here, you can see there's a bump there, and again if you go further down it's more pronounced actually. Look at that, the big bump on that one there. I thought, was it a one-off on just one or two? But actually if you look all the way around, they seem to all do this. So here's another one, look at that one bent around, almost snapping there. So I don't know if it's a feature in this particular specimen of oreophilus, or if all mature oreophilus do that. So if you're growing this palm, let me know if you've seen this happen, or whether it's just my specimen. And a lot of you may be wondering, has my oreophilus started to flower yet as winter spring now? And the answer is not yet, but I am hoping we'll get some flowers this year maybe, or at least, you know, in the next 2 or 3 years, because it's getting to a large specimen now. The actual trunk is 2 meters tall and the leaves are going well above that, so it's a good sized specimen. And we want to get seeds because it's impossible to get this palm now in the west. It comes from northern Thailand and it's just impossible to get the seeds out of the country, and nobody's growing this as small plants for sale. So I do want to get either seeds or pollen and then cross-pollinate with somebody else's oreophilus. There's a very small chance you might get some hermaphrodite self-pollination, but chances are we're going to need 2 of these plants. So fingers crossed, mine will flower and somebody else's will flower, and then we can start growing these wonderful plants from seed once more.